Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the whole shipment summary of selected organization in Fresa Application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa Application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Customer Service module. Here, we have to select the Report CS menu under the Customer Service module. Now, we have to select the Shipment Summary Selected Organization menu. On this shipment summary selected organization page, we have to give the date range. And we have to select which organization you want to view the shipment summary. Then also we have to enter the required details. Here, click on the submit button. Now, the shipment summary selected organization list will be displayed on the screen. If you want to download this list, just click on the options menu and then click on the download option to download the shipment summary selected organization list. This is how to view the all shipment summary of selected organization. Thanks for watching.